Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix an issue of Chrome extensions not working. To do so, first you need to go to the search on your taskbar. Click on that, type CMD. On command prompt, do right click on run as administrator, click on yes, and type exactly what I'm typing, taskkill /imchrome.exe/f. Press enter. As you can see, the command has run. Now minimize it and go to the Google Chrome to check if the issue has been solved or not. If the issue is not solved yet, then go to the three dots, go to the settings. After going to settings, check the privacy and security option. After going there, click on delete browsing data and then press on delete data. After doing so, this will also solve the issue. If it also hasn't solved the issue, then go to the reset settings in the same setting options. Click on reset settings, go to the restore settings to the original defaults, press reset settings. This will also help you fix the issue. If it has fixed the issue and it has helped you, please like and share the video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.